Good afternoon, folks. Rayleigh's Small Engines here. Thought I'd update you a little bit on some stuff come in yesterday and today to work on. One's this Gravely zero turn. I don't know if I'll do a video on it or not. It's getting service and blades. Got to put a new oil drain on this one. And the boot right there was missing. I had to put one of those on. We keep those. But I don't think you can see down in there, but that, let's see if I can get it up in here. That's the oil drain. You can see the end of it there's broken, and we'll go put him a new one in. Get that straight and service the hydro and all that good stuff. So anyway, then one of these Toros came in. One of the little twin blades that you got to time the blades on. It's just getting service and some blades. So let's walk outside. This is a Northstar generator that came in today. It's leaking fuel, but we'll fix him up. Big old heavy thing. I got him on a roll cart, one of our roll carts to make it easy. Ryobi trimmer. Well, not a trimmer, pole saw. It came in. It's getting new fuel lines. You know, it's going to need a primer bulb and some metering gaskets, that kind of thing. Not a big deal. A little quickie job. This one's an older model Poulan. Obviously, I got to fix the starter rope and get it running. We'll check it out, see what's up. And Honda came in today. Some little birds running around the yard out here. We cut them loose in the afternoons. There she goes. That pretty bird. Where'd she go? What's he doing? Anyway, this one come in, said something about there's a problem with third gear. So we'll check it out and see what's going on with it. Little Honda Rancher. There goes the birds. One of our construction customers brought in this tamp, and we've got to pull the foot off. The whole boot is busted. If you look right there. So we're gonna have to pull the foot off, put a new boot and fresh grease and oil and all that stuff. Whee, what fun. Another Gravely. That's a cool old machine, isn't it? This one's been sitting up a long time. It's gonna get redone. It's one that came in, been sitting up. The fella got it and he said, I'd really like to get this running. I said, okay, that's worth fixing. Polaris Ranger. This one came in. He ran over a stick, and it's dark back here in this back building, but let's see if you can see down in here. See the hose down there come off the bottom of the oil tank? He was riding through the woods and a stick or something, he said he ran over, it hit it and pulled it off, and all his oil dumped out, but he said he shut it off in time, so it shouldn't have been much of a problem. But we're gonna fix him up. We got a ton of weed eaters to fix. All those. There's more. That's our oil drum. We buy oil about a 55 gallon. This is one of those vacuums. Pretty cool. Got an old plow back here too that's pretty neat. Old wheel horse. That one I gotta fix. That's old SS12 there. That's mine. And that little junk deer there is mine. And I'm back in the main shop now. This is one come in. Said my throttle don't work. Well, trigger's broke. I got one of those ordered. I don't keep that kind of mess in stock. That little steel chainsaw. Y'all probably seen the video on the blower. I'm putting a new carburetor on it. The little steel chainsaw. The thing for the air cleaner gone. The rod for the choke. He had a zip tie on the choke, and it's supposed to be a rod that goes from here down into the plastic piece there. And I've got one I got to put on, and I ordered another backup. For some reason, those things go MIA for some reason. But anyhow, hope you folks have a great day. And I'll show you one more of my old toolbox I've had forever, since the 80s. I've still got the first set of tools I bought. The old Napa was the first original tools that I bought. I bought these when I was probably 14 years old or so. But anyway, have a great day, folks. Click subscribe. Come back to see us. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.